Have you ever thought something as simple as a lemon could change your life? Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you pour yourself a glass of warm water, you squeeze in half a lemon, and you take that first refreshing sip. You feel healthy. You feel like you're doing the right thing. You feel like you're adding years to your life. But what if I told you that the same lemon that gives you energy, the same lemon that cleanses your body, can also silently destroy your health if you combine it with the wrong foods? Seniors all over the world are unknowingly making this mistake every single day. And the scariest part? It doesn't just upset your stomach, it can weaken your bones, damage your heart, and even make you age faster. Picture this, a grandmother, 74 years old, living in Florida. Every morning she made a ritual of drinking lemon water, just like she saw on TV. She felt proud of her discipline. But she also made another habit. She combined lemon with something she thought was healthy. Within months, her doctor noticed her bones thinning rapidly, her knees aching, her blood pressure swinging up and down. Nobody connected the dots until one day she stopped the wrong food combination, and suddenly her health started to improve. That is the power of lemon when used the right way. And that is the danger of lemon when it's used the wrong way. If you are over 60, you need to hear this carefully, because once you understand these secret interactions, you will never look at a lemon the same way again. Let's start with the truth. Lemon is one of the most powerful natural gifts we have. It's packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, flavonoids, and compounds that fight inflammation. For seniors, this means stronger immunity, sharper memory, healthier digestion, and a cleaner liver. That's why so many health experts recommend lemon water every morning. But here's the shocking twist. Lemon doesn't get along with everything. In fact, mixing it with certain foods can completely reverse its benefits. It's like mixing medicine with poison. One wrong step, and instead of boosting your health, lemon can quietly make you weaker. Think of your body like a delicate machine. After 60, this machine is not as forgiving as it used to be. Your stomach acid is weaker. Your digestive enzymes are slower. Your organs are more sensitive. Lemon can be your ally, but only if you respect its rules. So today I'm going to tell you about 3 foods you must never mix with lemon. 3 foods that can silently sabotage your energy, your bones, your heart, and your longevity. And once you hear this, you'll know exactly how to use lemon the right way, so that it becomes your daily fountain of youth. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt bloated after eating something with lemon? Have you ever had sudden heartburn, cramps, or fatigue that you couldn't explain? That's not just aging. That's your body reacting to the wrong food pairing. Seniors often think, oh, it's just part of getting older. No, it's not. Sometimes it's as simple as stopping one mistake. The first dangerous pairing is with milk or dairy. I know you might think lemon tea with a little milk is harmless, or that having yogurt with lemon dressing is refreshing. But here's the hidden danger. Lemon is acidic. When acid meets dairy proteins, it causes curdling. Inside your stomach, that curdled mixture becomes heavy, sticky, and difficult to digest. For a younger person, maybe the body can fight through it. But for seniors, digestion is slower, and this sticky mess can cause bloating, acid reflux, and malabsorption of nutrients. Imagine drinking milk for calcium, but then losing that calcium because lemon blocked its absorption. Over time, this can silently weaken your bones, making you more prone to fractures. And the irony? Seniors drink milk for strong bones, but with lemon, it can have the opposite effect. There was a man named Harold, 68 years old, who loved his daily routine. Warm lemon tea with a splash of milk. He thought it was comforting. But his doctor noticed his vitamin D levels kept dropping. His calcium was low and his joints were stiff. When Harold finally cut the milk from his lemon tea, within weeks he felt lighter. His digestion improved and his knees didn't ache as much. It wasn't the medicine that changed everything. It was simply avoiding that one food combination. The second food you must never mix with lemon is seafood, especially shrimp, crab, and shellfish. Now I know this might sound surprising because many recipes use lemon with fish. And yes, lemon adds flavor. Lemon removes the fishy smell. Lemon makes a dish taste fresh. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Shellfish contain compounds that, when mixed with the high acidity of lemon, can release toxins in your body. For younger people, the liver can usually filter these toxins out. But for seniors, the liver is already working hard, and these toxins can cause inflammatory